Searching for a bench drilling machine feels like walking into a hardware store blindfolded. Every model looks the same black paint, same chuck, same vague claims about precision. But the real difference isn't in the photos or the bullet points. It's in how it actually performs when you're drilling through metal or wood day after day. Let's cut through the noise. Product number 1, WEN 4206T 8-inch drill press. First up is the WEN 4206T, an 8-inch benchtop drill press that sits right around $140. What caught my eye is its solid cast iron build. This isn't some flimsy plastic toy. It's built like a tank, and that matters when you're trying to drill clean, straight holes without vibration throwing you off. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're working on woodworking projects, light metal fabrication, or even cabinetry, you need stability. This drill press delivers with a 2.3 amp induction motor and 5 speed settings, 740 to 3140 RPM, so you can dial in the perfect speed for whatever material you're cutting. Plus, it's only 23 inches tall, so it fits comfortably on most workbenches. Now, some people complained about the lack of a laser guide or LED light, which would have been nice for precision work. Here's the thing though, those features often add cost without much real-world benefit for casual or semi-pro users. You're getting professional-grade stability and speed at a price that undercuts competitors by nearly $50. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, no-nonsense drill press for home workshops or small shops. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty industrial use or digital readouts. For the price, it's one of the best value-for-money options out there. Product number 2, WEN 4208T 8-inch 5-speed drill press. Now, if the WEN 4206T's basic design felt a little too simple, meet its sibling, the WEN 4208T, same price, same core specs, but with a few subtle upgrades that make a real difference. It still has the 2.3 amp motor and 8-inch swing, but the spindle travel is slightly smoother. And the onboard key storage is a small but smart addition, so you never lose your chuck key. Here's why this matters for you specifically: consistency. Whether you're drilling pilot holes for screws or enlarging holes in aluminum brackets, you need repeatable depth and alignment. The 6.5 by 6.5 inch table bevels both ways, and the 13 max chuck size gives you more bit compatibility than smaller models. With 300 plus bought in the past month, it's clear people trust WEN for dependable performance. Here's the thing though, if you've ever put together IKEA furniture, you'll handle this fine. The parts are well labeled, and once it's built, it's rock solid. This is perfect for you if you want a slightly more refined version of the 4206T with better ergonomics. Skip this one if you're a complete beginner who needs plug-and-play setup. Still, for under $145, it's a steal for serious hobbyists. Product number 3, Novel Life Mini Drill Press. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for detail work, the Novel Life Mini Drill Press. At just $103, it's compact, powerful, and built for precision. Don't let the size fool you. This thing packs a 795 DC motor with up to 7,000 RPM, which is insane for a mini machine. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're into jewelry making, model building, or electronics repair, you need fine control. This drill press gives you that with adjustable speed via 24V power supply and a B10 chuck that handles bits as small as 0.6. The 40mm drilling stroke and low vibration design mean you can drill clean holes in delicate materials without cracking them. Plus, it comes with a mini vise and 10 HSS drill bits. Great starter kit. Now, some people complained it's not strong enough for thick metals. Here's the thing though, that's not what it's designed for. If you're drilling aluminum sheet or resin, it's perfect. But if you're punching through steel plates, go bigger. This is perfect for you if you work on small-scale crafts or need a portable, accurate drill for tight spaces. Skip this one if you need industrial power. For DIYers, it's a hidden gem. Product number 4, Green Mini Drill Press, generic model. Now, if Novel Life's model impressed you, this green mini drill press is essentially the same machine, just rebranded. Same 795 motor, same 7,000 RPM, same B10 chuck and 6 max bit size. The price is identical at $103, and it's clearly targeting the same niche: hobbyists, jewelers, and DIY crafters. This drill press offers the same upgraded metal structure, linear bearings, and pendant motor design to reduce vibration. It's also compact, 9 inches tall, so it fits on a desk or small workbench. The included clamp and drill bits make it ready to use right out of the box. Now, some buyers noted the lack of a brand warranty or customer support. Here's the thing though, at this price you're paying for function, not frills. If it breaks, replacement parts are cheap, and many users report years of trouble-free use. This is perfect for you if you want the same performance as the Novel Life but don't care about the logo. Skip this one if you need long-term service or official support. It's a great budget pick for light-duty precision work. Product number 5, BACHIN 800W Digital Drill Press. Finally, if you're ready to step up to pro-level features, the BACHIN 800W Drill Press is in a league of its own. At $257, it's the most expensive on this list, but it delivers. The digital display shows exact spindle speed and drilling depth, which is a game changer for repeatable precision. The 800W copper motor provides serious torque, and the 6-speed range from 500 to 2500 RPM lets you tackle everything from softwoods to stainless steel. The 16 spindle stroke and rocker arm control give you smooth, controlled pressure, no more slipping or uneven holes. Plus, the 16 chuck accepts larger bits for heavy-duty jobs. Now, some users said it's overkill for home use and takes up significant bench space. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about machining, this is an investment, not an expense. It's built to last. This is perfect for you if you run a small workshop or need industrial-grade accuracy. Skip this one if you only drill occasionally. For the power and precision, it's worth every penny. So which one should you get? The WEN models are unbeatable for general workshop use under $150. The Novel Life and Green Mini drill presses are perfect for detailed crafts and small projects. And if you're going pro, the BACHIN with its digital display and 800W motor is the clear winner. No matter your budget or project, there's a drill press here that fits. Pick the one that matches your work and drill smarter, not harder.